basketball concert. I had to come back upstairs to grab my work laptop. But yeah, one of my New Year's resolutions was to like maybe not be more assertive, but the fuck is that? But like to just do whatever I wanted to do whenever I wanted to do, regardless if like a group or whoever didn't want to do it. I think this is like a good, I guess maybe not example, but something similar where it's like whatever I'm feeling at the moment I'll do. So depending on if it's basketball or going to the Tudor Cinema Club concert. I don't need lunch. Cool. Fuck. Let's hit the fuck out of my door. But yeah, so like there was one, so like kind of similar, or kind of, in the same ballpark, I guess, but not really. So like this summer for Frisbee, so like similarly for Frisbee, I decided to play with a team out of Houston with Chagan and Jimmy and Josh because it's gonna be a lot more fun outside of Frisbee and not as competitive, and it'll be just like vibes basically, which I think is good. I need to put my trash can back 1 second. They didn't take it yet. But yeah, so then basically what happened was I didn't get invited for like a mixed team, which is what I played last year. And I think mixed is super fun and I like it a lot more. But I think given that I didn't get invited, I didn't want to drive up to Dallas to play with like one of my other friends, Eric, who's that team, I mean, is good, but it's just a lot of commitment this summer, and I'm doing a bunch of other random stuff, as you can probably guess, because I mean, I have a wedding in New York in a couple weeks that I'm going to spend a week over there. Yeah, I think I'm just like, whenever James or someone or whoever wants to float the river, I'll go do that. Just having the flexibility or not having Frisbee as the priority this summer, I think, is good for me because it's just been a lot recently, I guess, or in the past couple years. But that's where I stand right now. So I'm excited to play Harvey Cats with the boys because I haven't played with them since Papa Bear, really. I mean, Chagan, I played with him for Goosebumps, but a long time removed, and I'm excited to play with them, even though Chagan had been hounding me for like the entire like past 3 months about playing Cats, and I was just not giving him any like light of day because I was like, oh, what about this, what about this, what about this? And finally I crumbled, but I think it'll be good for me. So if it's not clear, I decided on basketball. Go Mavs, game 5. Hopefully they clutch.
Oh, Tuba's open! Game! Nice pass, Tuba!
Well, that was a lot of fun. Now I need to rush to... See you, Joe. Need to rush to get my snowboard waxed. Just like right, super close. So the snowboard place doesn't, their waxing season for the off season finished already. So I didn't get my snowboard back, so I have to do it myself or go to Sun and Ski. But I'll do that hopefully next weekend. But yeah, that was it for the vlog today. Let's go Mavs on 5. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never a cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so